For consistent characters, upload an image reference to Gemini Pro, it creates the prompt. Use Google Nano to create images of your characters. Then animate the images to create your videos. Finally, Google VO3 and Google Flow are the best tools for now to animate the characters.
Oh, this is so frustrating. Can I get this right?
Oh, your characters are not consistent. Yeah, one of the challenges creators have with AI video generation is having consistent characters. I understand there are AI web platform out there that offer tools for consistent characters. However, many of those platforms, they do require high subscription plan, or sometimes you have to spend a lot on credits. But I have easy, cost-effective ways that I do use to generate my consistent characters for my AI video generation, and I will show you now. To generate my consistent characters, I make use of two tools: Gemini to generate my prompts, and Nano to generate my characters in the form of images. I have met creators that struggle with character consistency, and most of the challenges they face is having a prompt that could accurately maintain consistency in the characters. And the advice that I always give them is this: spend less time on making sure your prompt is accurate. Rather, find an image reference or a character reference. You could get that from most free websites out there like Pinterest, Shutterstock. They have available images that you could use as a character reference. Save it, upload it in Gemini, and ask Gemini to explain it to an image prompt. There you could make minor modification if the prompt is not as you require. It's a lot simpler than trying to write your own prompt by yourself and having to regenerate the images when you don't get what you want. So I have my character references here. It's a taxi driver, it's a medical doctor, and a policeman actually holding a hand. So these three characters references I was able to get from Pinterest, and I will be creating using, this is my image, this is me, so I will be using myself as the character that I want to be consistent. I will create myself as a taxi driver, as a medical doctor, and as a policeman. I will show you. So just type Pinterest.com. You could search for a doctor. You could search for a policeman, a policewoman. You could search for a lawyer. Then just save the image. Just pick an image you want and save it and use it. So I'm gonna remove the background of the main character image. Right click, open with, select photos. I will be using photos. Click on the edit button. Click on the icon there, remove. It's done because it says yes, success. Click on replace, drag the color to green, select green, click on save options. I always prefer to use save as a copy. Give it a name, just call it main character. Well, my spelling character. Yeah, it's done. So go to Gemini. Gemini.google.com. Okay, then upload the character. I'll start with taxi driver. Then give this command. Explain the image to an image prompt of Nano banana. So the prompt is ready. I have the description for this image, which I'm gonna use to create a character of a taxi driver. Just copy this part. It's always good to start in a new chart. Then paste it here. It's always nice to read through the description to be sure it fits the purpose of what you want to do. So here I could see a text that I didn't like. It says a driver is a man with a shaved head. Don't wonder, so I'll be taking it away. So add this command. Using the attached image, create a hyper-realistic, that's fine. Then at the end, I always add keep the face unchanged. And it's also good to define the aspect ratio. I'll be using 16:9 because I want to use the image to create a video for YouTube. So it's always good when wherever you want to publish it, you have to know the aspect ratio that you want. So 16:9 is all right for me. Then don't forget to upload the image, and then change this to create images. There you go. Looks exactly what I want. Good job. So next I will be creating for the doctor. So for the doctor, I'm gonna upload the character I have in mind and issue the prompt command again. So explain the image to an image prompt for Nano banana. So the prompt is out. So it gave me two options, option 1 and option 2. I will just read through the options, and then I believe after reading through it, I will settle for option 2, a professional headshot of a handsome young male doctor standing in a bright medical office. So this looks all right for me. So I'm just gonna copy this prompt. Then it's always nice to start in a new prompt. I'll paste it here. Then I'll make some modification to suit the character that I have in mind. So using the attached image, create a professional headshot of a male doctor standing in a bright medical office. He's smiling warmly at the camera. He's wearing a white lab coat over a light blue shirt and a navy blue polka dot tie. So it looks fine with me. Then I'll add at the end of the prompt saying, so I added keep face unchanged, aspect ratio 16:9. Then I'll add the main character photo. Then I'll change this to create images. Perfect. Looks exactly like me. So it's so identical. So good. So the last character to create will be a character of a policeman. Give similar prompt. Explain the image or an image prompt for Nano banana. So the prompt is ready. I just copy this out. take it to a new chart, paste it here, then make necessary modification. So I have to remove bold, the full shot photo of a male police officer with glasses. Just remove glasses. So everything looks all right. Then I'm gonna add this request, keep the face unchanged, then aspect ratio 16:9. Remember to add the character reference. Then you change this to create images. So let's see. Yeah, looks exactly like the reference image, so it's fine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. In my next video, I will be showing you how to generate realistic quality video using Google VOA 3.1. Then I will also demonstrate the new advanced capability in Google Flow